what? It's your girl, it's Shayna in the building, and yes, I know you all saw that title and you're like, oh, 6 ways how to monetize yourself. Yes, I said yourself. I'm not talking about anything else but you. So the first way how to monetize yourself in 2025 is sell merch, sell clothes. You know, merch, clothes, same damn thing. Drop your clothing line. I'm telling you, get that money, you know. So that's number 1. Number 2 is start YouTube. But we all know that starting YouTube, you're not gonna get monetized straight away unless one of your videos go viral, and goddamn, you know. So that's one way you could also get monetized. And you can do shorts. You can get onto the shorts program and all that great stuff. You can also get brand deals. You can do your thing and, you know, reach out to a couple of companies and see if they want to work with you. Another way is step 3. Anyways, so another way how to monetize yourself is to now this is the one what I do. Sell products digitally. So selling ebooks, doing online courses, selling do classes, do one-to-one call consultations, do all that great stuff. That's also another way of how to monetize your content, or how to monetize yourself, I should say. Damn, I'm so hot, and as you see, I got my little strawberry cup here with my water. Like the tea. Another way is set up memberships. So tell people about what you have to offer them on your service. If you're all about educating somebody, you can do memberships for, I don't know, every month you pay $2.99 and you get this amount of things in with the package. You know, there's so many ways to monetize yourself in 2025, you know. Yeah, like you can do so much things. You can go on Instagram and get monetized. You can monetize from Facebook videos. You can make so many different, there's so many different ways of monetizing yourself. For example, you can host parties. You get that money straight to your pocket. You can decorate hotel rooms for special occasions. You can build up your own portfolio by taking pictures of your work, posting them online, letting other people see it. You know, we have a thing called TikTok. From the time you're trying to build up your portfolio, click, 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 take picture, take recording, post it up on social media. Somebody will see your work and be like, how do I book you? You know? And if you're creative, you can make your own cups. You can make your own jewelry. There's so many different ways, honestly. So many different ways how to monetize yourself. But I've just given you 6 ways how to monetize yourself in 2025. Get that money, you know. Get up and do something. Don't sit around, lounge around and do jack shit. Because that ain't gonna get you nowhere. Best believe that. Yeah, clack the tea. And I got hair in my eye. But anyways, clack the tea. And as you may know, I'm not gonna edit this video, so whatever you see is what you see. Oh god, I got hair in my eye again. Yeah. You know, whatever you get is what you get. I'm not gonna be cutting or editing or trying to make it look picture perfect, because no, nobody ain't got time for that. But yes, if you've enjoyed this short little video, make sure you all like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend that your girl is helping everybody monetize themselves in 2025. Remember, I said this, right? Whatever talent you've got, don't waste it. Use it, monetize it, yeah? Don't sit there and think, oh, you know, I can do this. Where's the money? I never heard the money sound. I never heard the cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Like, be for real. You know? Be for For real. But anyways, that's enough of that for today. I will be dropping another video in today's sometime, you know, because today is the what's today's date? Only God knows. Today's the 25th of February, and I will be dropping more videos, hopefully, fingers crossed, because you know I be waking up here and I'm just like, oh my god, like, oh my god. I do wake up really early, so I have no excuse. But you know, like in the mornings your mind is not very turned on, especially when you're getting like every morning you're up early. Damn. Comment down below what time you wake up in the morning. Let's see if we're around the same little, you know, time scale of waking up. But yeah, make sure you're staying hydrated, taking your vitamins and all that great stuff. Look after yourself, because there is a virus going on in the UK, and God forbid I'm not trying to catch that virus. So yeah, stay blessed everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.